fly to you, much wiser since my goodbye to you. I've travelled the world to learn I must return from Russia with love. I've seen places, faces, and smile for a moment, but oh, you've haunted me so. Still my tongue-tied young cry would not let my love hold you show. In case you said no to Russia, I flew, but there and then I suddenly knew you'd care again. My running around is through. I'll fly to you from Russia with love. Well, how did that pluck us? The Silverfingers back with you again for hopefully another interesting ditty. Another classic song from a James Bond film, of course, From Russia with Love, as done by Matt Monro, of course. So this is my single guitar playthrough for it, for the forthcoming lesson. Standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the key of D minor, okay, which is the original version as recorded by Matt Monro. So hopefully see you in a few days for the breakdown. Thanks a lot. Bye for now.